So now that you've written your assessment report, it's time to write your assessment plan. The fields that make up an assessment plan are university mission statement, unit mission statement, which is the mission statement for your department, outcomes, assessment method, and criteria for success. Let's walk through each of these fields individually. Mission statements are included in order to show that everything we do flows out of the mission and vision of HBU. To enter your mission statements, you'll go to your assessment plan. You'll select University Mission Statement, and you can see that the University Mission Statement has been put here for your convenience. You can copy, select Edit, paste. Don't forget to mark as complete, and save. Then you'll do the same for your unit mission statement. Edit, mark as complete, and save. Once your mission statements are completed, you're ready to move on to your outcomes. As mentioned in the video Writing Outcomes, outcomes are the guiding force behind the assessment process. Depending on which department you are in charge of the assessment plan for, there is a mix of administrative outcomes and student learning outcomes in your plan. To add outcomes to your assessment plan, we'll go to Xitracs. You'll see that your assessment plan begins with one outcome right here. To enter your outcome, you'll go to Edit, put your outcome in, mark as complete, and save. To add any additional outcomes, you'll hit Add New, OK, and you can see that now there's an additional outcome there. For any further outcomes that you would like, you'll always go back to this first outcome and just hit Add New. And you can see that it continues to populate additional outcome fields. Moving on from outcomes, assessment methods are how you will measure achievement of your outcomes. Though your outcomes likely stay the same from year to year, assessment methods will be the initiatives and processes you are paying the most attention to that year. For example, the IT department always makes sure that students have access to Wi-Fi on campus, a possible outcome for them. But maybe their assessment method will be expanding Wi-Fi services this year. Whatever you select your assessment method to be, you'll want to make sure it's something that will take place during the academic year. Sometimes it's helpful to add reminders to your calendar to keep track of or to gather assessment data during the year. Once you've identified your assessment method, it's time to set your criteria for success. What your criteria for success is will depend significantly on what type of assessment method you are using. It could be a data project will be finished by, student responses to a survey, number of students in the entering class, or amount of money raised, just a few examples. Regardless of what your criteria for success is, make sure you write it in a way that you will ultimately be able to report on and that directly measures your outcome. If you need assistance with selecting an assessment method or setting a criteria, please reach out for assistance. Entering assessment methods and criteria for success is just like entering our other fields. You'll select on the field that you want to complete, so this first assessment method. And then you will mark as complete and save. And then your criteria for success, edit. Mark as complete and save. You'll repeat that for all of the assessment methods that you have. Should you want to add additional assessment methods to your outcomes, go take a look at the video under Fast Facts in Blackboard to see how to add additional assessment methods. And with that, you have completed your assessment plan.